Good evening, guys. Thank you for joining into my channel again. I hope you like it this time.
So in today's episode, we're gonna clear out some of the garages. I showed you in a previous episode what it looked like, the storage units out on another location. So I just want to give you an update on that. And yeah, sorry guys for not posting anything, but it's been raining so much and I'm still trying to sort out things, and we should be getting to
the SS fairly soon. We hope by February we can jump on it. So keep tuned. Smash the like button. Click the subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the show.
starts after a couple of weeks. No issues. Truck is on, obviously.
Previously cleared up a little bit. Garage number 5. We can walk into it, but yeah, there's still lots to unpack. There's a bit of a fuck up here and down there. But yeah, Tanya, your bath has nice legs, ne? There's a little bit of a mess in there as well. Still some boxes to take down and unpack and go through, and we unpacked a little bit more, some wood. Tanya, here's your bathroom set, the basin and its stand, the toilet and its thing, some plumbing supplies, and then your bath. And boo, it's got a couple of dead rats in it. I'll get them removed. But yeah, I today took only all the almost all the computers. I'm still unpacking, but this is all the computers that came out of that garage. So guys, we are having a bit of a storm here today. You can see the big ice blocks hailing the poor Barkley. 5 is becoming a storage, nice piece of shiny metal. Some things I think I should keep. All these scaffolding are going to somebody soon. I'm just busy sorting that out. We've got some spares over here that I might use, might not. I'm still thinking. Some shelving, tires, wheels, rims, kind of thing. I don't know, shelving. So this is how far I got with 5, and we're basically starting to fill it again with the stuff we're taking out next doors. And at garage number 4, we've unpacked a little bit. We can see a bit more, and we are busy pumping all the tires, but then my thing broke. So yeah, We'll probably carry on pumping the tires and get this one out so we can clear the rest of the stuff. And at number 3, we've taken out quite a bit, and we can get to the back of the car. You can see inside. This was a parts car. It's been stripped. I don't think it's got an engine. So you're gonna make a resto mod definitely with this one. It's got a nice couple of rusty spaces. But yeah, and some more spares, and we'll continue unpacking this one sometime. But yeah guys, we've been here for 2 weeks now, and this is how far we've come. So garage number 2, we've cleared out some nice shelving there in the back where I can utilize again some more shelving, sorry. At least it's already up. But yeah, there's still some shit to take. Garage 1, this is how far we got. Some nice speakers here. 2 of them, heavy speakers. And you can see the back wall a little bit. But yeah, still need to unpack.